coming in this class. This morning we will discuss about catalyst and catalysis. Catalyst and catalysis. What is different between catalyst and catalysis? Catalyst is the materials, catalysis is the process. Yeah? Here, the simple catalytic cycle from reactant to the products. Yeah? Reactant, this is catalyst, reactant react with catalyst and produce a product. Yeah? After that, we can reuse the catalyst. We can use that again, yeah? Reuse the catalyst, and the catalyst will react with the reactant and make the products. These cycles will we can use as the catalyst as long as the catalyst is active. Yes. How long? It depends on the catalyst. We have to check. We have to check the catalyst. The catalyst, the characteristics of catalyst, and also the important is how the catalyst can help the reactions to reduce the energy activation and also to mix the product which we need, which we want it. Yeah. So we can make a conclusion. The catalyst can be reused or not. It depends on the product and also the characterization of the catalyst. Sometimes the characterization of the catalyst is low, yeah, but it's still active. For example, the catalyst is collapsed. The structure of the catalyst is collapsed. Yeah. The chemical bonding is collapsed, and the catalyst is not longer as crystalline materials. But sometimes this amorphous catalyst, the amorphous materials, can have the reaction. Yeah? Can have the reactions. Yeah? Can have the reaction to reduce the energy activation and also to mix products. Sometimes the energy activation is not low. The catalyst cannot have the energy activation lower, but still mix products. Product which we need it, which we want it. Yeah? Okay. Which suitable of catalyst for this process depend mainly on the following properties: activity, selectivity, and stability. This is the most important if we want to 5 minutes? 5 minutes? If we want to select the catalyst. Yeah? Activity. Activity means the catalyst can help reduce energy activation, yeah? To make energy activation low. Can make the reaction faster. Yeah? Selectivity, what I said before, if you have reactions, for example, A plus B, C plus D, and plus A. What you want is C. So the selectivity, you select the C and you don't want D and G. But mostly we can read, we can, I mean, you can't make this not found in the reactor. Still, you can still find it, D and E, but the concentration of the amount is low. Yeah. For example, this just 5%, 1%, something like that. Then you want to this 96, 90, or until 95%. So most of the reaction will produce C. This is what selectivity. Stability is the reaction. The catalyst is stable. If you use in the high temperature, high pressures, yeah, the material still stable. The structure is stable. Yeah, the structure is not collapse. Yeah, the chemical bonding is still there. Even you heat up the reactor until probably 500, 600 degrees Celsius. The catalyst still, as we synthesis it, yeah, it's stable. Yeah. If we want to use catalyst for the high temperature reaction, so we need catalyst resist in the with temperatures, high temperatures. Yeah. We heat up the reactor, for example, 500, 600 Celsius degree, so it's still stable. This is why we choose activity, selectivity, and stability. Sorry, I think this is enough for now. We will continue next week, and we will continue the telegrams. Yeah? We will discuss this more online, yeah, using telegram. And also, I ask you to find time to mix an additional lecture. Yeah? For example, probably this Saturday, if possible. Just tell me. Okay? Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.